So,
need a little help.
this is Kenny's birthday.
There you are.
20th
with the beard.
birthday. With Lori's friend, Jossie Swain. Not bad.
That's the shirt you had your picture taken with out at the
At the old school, yeah.
school. Yeah.
Gladys Stone.
Gladys Stone. Yeah.
Dream bar cake. Mmm.
It's been years.
Boy, that
since
made me
I've
look a
made
lot
green
older,
bars.
didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, she was cute, wasn't she?
She was cute.
She's very pretty girl.
Yeah. And she was very tall. I wonder if she was ever a model. 'Cause
Oh, yeah.
she could have
No,
been.
no, she wasn't.
She wasn't.
She was on Lori's Facebook page with one of her friends.
Yeah, I like that shirt.
Yes, you did. You wore it a lot. Oh, Lori's got on a Stanford shirt. That's a hoodie. There she is, just like she is.
Happy 20th, Kenny. There's that. I was the walking salt shaker.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, money.
Money?
125.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Stephen King.
Air chucks.
Chucks.
More chucks.
I still have. No, I don't.
Topsoil chucks have gotten high.
Hey, in the background is that stool, which is now our painting stool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It used to be able to be displayed in the house.
I don't know what that is.
What's that?
Concert tickets.
Oh, maybe.
Just guessing.
No glasses.
No
That's
glasses.
weird. So you can.